by 9 o'clock, it's supposed to be 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts. So we ain't gonna be here much longer if it keeps up. There's just no point. I mean, I got no count at all. Like, there's no brakes. Even I got here this morning. Yeah, it was pouring for it literally for 2 days. We had thunderstorms and tornadoes. I know what the good news is. I know what the situation is, right? Like, the good news is I know why they're